Hello, this is Charles Spreitzer, owner of Sand-Rite, here today to show you how to load the flap sanding heads that we sell. Take your casting. We've got this special tool that we sell. Makes it a lot easier to load. Clamp it in here. Now that it's in the fixture, you're ready to work on the sandpaper. Take your sandpaper loadings, sell these in sets of 5. Each loading has 3 pieces of sandpaper joined together into it. It's got a clipped corner here. It's got a chamfer in the casting here. Slide your clipped corner down to the chamfer. The clip is in there so that it'll slide all the way down and touch that shoulder. Pull them all out to where you have your rivets, the actual staples tight up against the shoulder, the inside of the casting. Flip it over. It's got this ring right here that fits into this ring, this part down here that's been milled out to receive it. And then you just start getting your sandpaper lined up with each slot. Kind of tricky. It's a lot of pieces to get to fall into their slots. Just work your way around like a clock. Start at 12 and go all the way around. Don't skip one, or it'll make it even harder to get it to fall down in there. Wiggling it around a lot helps, just to working its way down towards the bottom. And now I got them all lined up. Just kind of move them around. They'll almost fall down there once they get down past about 2/3 of the way. Got it. Alright, we're all the way down. Push it down into the slot. Give it a tug, make sure that, again, like you've got your staples pulled up tight against the inside of the tube. Whoops, I missed one. Okay. And the final part of this tool we sell is just a steel bar, 1/2-inch steel bar. And you just take this and you just wind it up. Check it out. Isn't that cool the way they just slide in there? There we go. And now I'll slide the brushes in. Sometimes I have them in beforehand. Sometimes I put them in after. I think it's easier to put them in afterwards.